Yeah, man, you don't know Amari always a sing say yo Neko mash up her life and thing is it enough, but enough people think say Gully Bop she attack her ex-man or what, but you don't know Gully Bop son when him Neko forward out you know attack, so why him never answer Amari is it? And Amari I say yo like nothing work with a science pan her from Sting is it. So if you're new around here just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. I'm out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I mean this, you know. Neko, Gully Bop, one boy. You see me? You know, I'm born at St. Thomas. Growing at Kingston around my father, mother. And a couple other relatives, including the patriarch of the family, and Gully. Because she grew the whole way basically, you know. So, I just want to clear up the year based on some things that I go on with my father, you know, and funeral and all of them stuff there. Well, as you can see, me there on my way, I go make the arrangements them, you know. You see me? And I don't by the funeral home, I link up with Joby today, and me and him I go get all of that sorted out. You understand me? So we are going to pick out the package today. Pick the type of casket and the type of procession we want. And all of them things there. Yeah, well you know say a lot of things have been said on social media for the past couple of weeks from my father there, you know. But it's like we have to clear up the year now because so all of who say them give family member money or want contribute to family member towards Gully Bop funeral. I just want to make you know say boy when the money gone either in our rum bar, and if it's a man who give the money it gone in our warehouse, and if it's a pastor who give the money it surely gone in the collection plate, but me know say it nah go in a Gully Bop funeral. So all of who come on social media and say them want give Gully Bop things or give Gully Bop family things or money towards Gully Bop funeral, you never either do it out of sincerity, but I tell you, you can go and collect up on views still for work on do. Because you deserve no views, say all I want to say, and everybody go on social media to get views and reviews. I don't get no views, so I go and pile them up, but you don't do nothing for Gully Bop, you just out to get the views, the fame, the fortune. Why I never answer Amari now when time she say Neko mash up her life? It's just that at one time I meet the pig, you know. At the time she was a big size effer before she turned into a ram goat right now. You know, I am Marga suck out ram goat there. It look like him not get no grass, yeah. So at the time she was a effer. Me only meet her once. So me that try to calculate the friction between when me mash up her life if at the night when time me tell the Bob say, what am I do with that something there? Me don't know, but she say I me mash up her life. Me never answer her because she not.
You good? I don't know if you understand the story.
What are the shoes?
You don't understand the story. The girl a ride on me and a suck out me.
No man, more than everything just happens so sudden. Hard to process something one time, I swear.
Oh, you know why it happened so sudden? Because nothing pull out the Amari. Nothing didn't want just the singing Amari. The day when them post my picture, tell me to go on internet looking mad and bring out the peace in me. The Amari where them need for Sting. They don't want decent Amari for Sting. And so them send go call Amari from back in the Bop days. He did a ritual on me. You understand? That one. He did a ritual on me, real thing. Because he called me. And he said, Amari, when him call me, him FaceTime me. And true is my team, Anthony. Me say, all right, me answer the FaceTime. Me care how me look. Me hear chaka chaka. And him say, you see, just like how you look, me want you to go back and me want you to make a video. And me want you, some things where him tell me to say. Me can't believe say, me Amari, run go make the video. And taught them things there. You know, like you hypnotize.
Yeah.
And after me taught the things there, me say, but wait, Mary, when me look on the video, me say, Anthony, Mary, this is not you. This is where you're coming from. This is not where you're going. This is not who you is no more. That the time then don't bring back the spirit when me drop. You understand? Then don't bring back the spirit. By the evening, me and everybody catch up, and from that me not stop cuss because nothing did it. And when me ask the Lord, what am I to do? The Lord tell me, say the spirit gonna be around for 30 days. You understand? So me know, say me and nobody are gonna really get along. And me know, say when me come through this, me know, say only two friends are gonna like forgive me for come out and speak my mind and everything. Because when me come through and get back my karma and everything, it's just the true friends are gonna say, you know what, Amari, something did really wrong. Not to mention me go to Jamaica and make my sister for no reason. I go, why you gonna do that to your sister? Me text when name Sika, and Mr. Sika. Just before me reach the airport, my sister slapped me in my head. Me say, if anything happen to me, if me lose it, if me start curse you out, remember this day. Remember this day. You send me to Jamaica. Your driver wanna bring me back to the airport. The spirit warned me before me left. Say, careful, my sister gonna try to get the power from my head. And my sister gonna give me a clot lick in the middle of my head. 2 weeks after me come up, my head hurt me. My own sister, me never know her before. Me never know you before, girl. And me can't believe that me love you so much. So much. And you're gonna hurt me. You understand? Me come to Jamaica as Amari, and you should have even afraid to let me in my head because my name is Amari. And you're bold enough to hit me in my head. You're bold enough to do that to me. I know when I talk, people are saying me mental. Me I come to airport, my head hurt me. Me lay down here sometime, my head hurt me. The other day, me I talk to somebody, and my mind just go. Me forget what me I say, and me I scrambling in my head, and me say them can't make me know, say me can't make them know, say me get affected by my sister. It go over Facebook, you will see. You will see when me talk on Facebook, I say, guys, if anything wrong with me, remember I told you, just now my sister will see why. I don't understand why my sister would do that to me. You understand? So I just pray to God to heal me.
So how are them against you, Amari?
Anthony, right
In them almost in a mall. In a mall,
in the center. When she let me, Anthony, when she let me in my head, me feel, me don't know how the body made up, but me feel like something sink and go down in my head, go down inside, something will belong up there. It feel like it just sink, you know, like when you something sinking on my head.
Mother, give me a second, please.
Why y'all gonna do that to me? You understand? I'm not gonna stay on social media and never send my fans them off for you. If me ever send my fans them for you, you're dirty.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe to that channel because